Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to delete our Signal account. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is just go to settings. At the top right you can see the profile picture. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you guys can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now all you guys have to focus on is this button right here, that is account. Click on it, and this is it guys. From here, as you guys can see, there are multiple options, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on the very end, that is delete account. Click on this button. Now what you guys need to do is simply enter your phone number right here for confirmation. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well, denote that I have entered the phone number. Now all I'm gonna do is click on this button called as delete account. Finally, it's gonna ask for your confirmation once again. Click on delete account. As you guys can see, my Signal account has been deleted. Well guys, that sums it up. That's how we delete your Signal account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.